go, guys. Kyosho, take it for a rip. I adjust the second gear. We're gonna try it out. Ooh, you hear it? Second gear, baby. I close third. There we go. Second is hitting nicely. Now to adjust third. Kyosho usa1 nitro. It's super windy over here. Super windy. usa1. Let's listen to that second hit. There you go. Small adjustments at a time. Sounds awesome. And it will idle for days too. Let's listen to that second gear hit again. Yo, it's funny how when it shifts, it lifts one of the front tires in the air. Let's go. Oh man, this truck is a blast. So I'm driving with one hand, recording with the other. It's kind of hard, so I'm not going crazy. Woo! Let's go. I have it running rich too, slightly rich. Look at that. Too much power. Look at that. This thing is crazy. Power, baby, let's get it. Woo! usa1. Can't wait to hear that third gear hit. Beautiful truck. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna work on the third gear and I'll post a video.